Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off broadcast notification on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you join a broadcast channel on Instagram, you will always get notification when the authors send message on their broadcast channel. Sometimes it might be bothering you. So now what if you want to mute that notification from that broadcast channel without leaving that broadcast channel? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. From here, you can just open your DM. Maybe you can open. So I will join this. You want to mute this broadcast channel, you can open the broadcast channel. It's very simple. You can see there's like bell icon on the top right on your Instagram. You can just tap on that, and then here you can mute this notification, channel notification, for 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or after you change it. For example, we just choose on after I change it. So now I will not get any notification from this channel. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off broadcast channel notification on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.